AI is the future of dropshipping. I'm going to be giving you the tools that will make your dropshipping a whole lot easier. These tools are tools that I'm currently using, and they will all be linked below, so don't worry. Now, the first tool I use is ChatGPT. I know that is the most basic AI tool that is there. ChatGPT for copywriting, ad ideas, and for website text, and also for ad copies. Now with ChatGPT, you can make your own GPT that is specific to your store, where you can continuously use it throughout your store so you don't have to train the chat every time. I personally use this for all my brands, and if you haven't been using it, you're pretty late to the game. The second AI is Faira.ai. Now this is used for my product images on my store. This allows you to edit any product images to make sure it's a nice aesthetic looking background and a professional background. For dropshipping, this is very important from standing out from the competition to make sure you have better product images than the competitor. Now the third tool is Glimpse. Now what Glimpse is basically Google Trends on crack. This you can use to find trends before they're trendy, and you can also search which trend is saturated on which social platform. This is extremely useful for finding a winning product and finding which niche to go into at the right time. The next is Canva. Now Canva did add a AI to it, which makes it a lot easier to edit photos, and especially if you're doing Facebook photo ads. This is extremely helpful. They come with different templates you can just plug and play, especially if you're a beginner. This makes it extremely user-friendly to create graphics. Now I use Canva for all my logos, so all my logos are used by Canva, and they give you templates, logo templates to use from there. This is how I make my logos really easily and fast. The next AI software is NVIDIA. Now this allows you to make videos easily with AI. You can use ChatGPT with NVIDIA to make an AI video, and it will do all the work for you. Now what I do use for my voiceover, AI voiceovers for my ads is 11 Labs, the popular Adam voice on there, or you can try to change it up a little bit and use different voices. What you can also do is record your own voice, and it will combine it with an AI voice to give it a unique sound to it. Now the last program I use is Submagic. So for adding subtitles and B-roll, I use Submagic. Now that sums it up for all the AI tools I use. If you have any other suggestions, leave it in the comments. I will check them out. I know I went through all of these pretty quickly, but this is not a tutorial on how to use them, but what tools I use. Click the links below to check them out. They're all user-friendly, and they're pretty self-explanatory of how to use them. AI is supposed to make your life easier, not harder. So with that, until next time.